The bells are ringing loud. There is a chorus of Har Har Mahadev inside the sanctum sanctorum of Kashi Vishwanath corridor. The reason is that the area has increased for the pilgrims from just about 3,000 square feet to 50,000 square meter at a cost of rupees 800 crore in the last 3 years alone, which means that many more pilgrims can be accommodated when they come here for a darshan. The lights are bright, the pink sandstone columns and domes are looking mesmerizing. This place, the Kashi Vishwanath temple, was demolished and last time repaired like this in the 12th century, first in 1194 and then 1777. This time its repair began in 2019 before Lok Sabha elections when both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath conceived its plan. The challenges were to connect the two symbols of Varanasi, the Kashi Vishwanath temple and the Ganga, and also to rehabilitate the people around the construction of temple. The people are queuing and swarming right till midnight next to this iconic shrine of Lord Shiva in anticipation that Monday will be a day of opening of the huge corridor built during the last 2 years. They're waiting to see their MP and PM Modi and CM Yogi for the inauguration of this new structure.
फीट पे ही ये मंदिर का पूरा परिसर था। अभी 50,000 स्क्वायर मीटर में इस पूरे काशी विश्वनाथ धाम का निर्माण हो गया है, जिसमें दर्शनार्थियों के लिए विभिन्न प्रकार के सुविधाओं के नए नए आयाम खोले गए हैं, जैसे जिसमें मुमुक्षु भवन, पुस्तकालय, इसके अलावा यात्री सेवा केंद्र, योग भोगशाला, योग भवन, इस प्रकार के कई तरह के व्यवस्थाएं यहाँ की गई हैं.
Since you have seen from your childhood this place both as a devotee and as a local here, what difference do you find?
We find a lot of difference, such as
the mandir, the area you see right now, it was just
the
it was
gullies,
consisted of lanes.
Gullies थी यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
बहुत.
It was earlier 3,000 square
3,000,
feet,
yeah, and now it's 5 lakh.
50,000 square meter area.
Yeah.
Whatever. So you can see, you can obviously know the fact, and now you can assume the difference between then
और
and
इसके
now.
कलर में भी चेंज आया है कुछ?
Yes, definitely.
What is the change in the color?
पहले it wasn't like this golden, और जो नीचे का एरिया था, it was total white. पूरा पुट्टी का हो गया था, क्योंकि
गोल्डन नहीं था.
पहले गोल्डन था नहीं था, क्योंकि यू नो
पॉलिशिंग हुई है
एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, क्योंकि पुराने टाइम पे
और ये सब चीजें भी नहीं थी यहाँ पे?
बिल्कुल नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. इट वाज टोटली.
तुम लोगों को भी दर्शन के लिए आज ही खुला ये एरिया पहले करी?
नहीं
या पहले आ रहे हो आप यहाँ पे?
हम लोग लास्ट अगस्त में आए थे, सावन में.
तब खुला था?
हाँ, पर यहाँ पे मैदान था, पर ये ऐसा कुछ
इतना बिल्डअप नहीं होता. ये अभी कंसिस्टेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, और
प्रधानमंत्री और योगी जी भी आ रहे हैं. कितना एक्साइटमेंट है आप लोगों को?
बहुत क्रेज है. आप हमारे बनारस की सड़कों पे देख लो, बनारस के लोगों को देख लो, इतना क्रेज हो रखा है सबको. सबने अपने
एक बनारस की जो खास बात है ना,
हाँ जी.
चाहे हम किसी भी चाट से खाते हुए आए, बनारस कभी रुकता नहीं है, बंद नहीं होता. रात को 12 बजे भी नाई की दुकान भी खुली रहती है.
हमारी
और
बहुत
चाट
अच्छी क्वालिटी है कि वी एज अ गर्ल्स आर सेफ इन वाराणसी. वी कैन रोम अराउंड एट अराउंड 12 o'clock also.
And you do?
Yeah, we do. We obviously, it is around 11 right now, I guess. And see, we've been standing up here, and then we'll be walking around to our houses, obviously, at the time of 11 o'clock.
Excellent.
Which we supposedly do not do it in Delhi.
तो ये लग रहा है कि कहीं चुनावी जुमला है या ये सब होना ही था ऐसा?
अब आप चुनावी जुमला कहो या जो भी कहो, भाई हमने अपने एरिया में डेवलपमेंट देखा, तो फिर हम तो कहेंगे ना कि भाई मोदी ने काम किया. अब बाकी अभी इतनी सरकारें आई गई, किसी ने इतना तो किसी ने नहीं सोचा होगा कि जो मोदी जी आके करके गए.
The design has been developed by the leading architect Dr. Bimal Patel, who is also the man behind the upcoming beautiful marvel of Central Vista in New Delhi. As far as Kashi Vishwanath corridor is concerned, a total of 23 buildings are being inaugurated in the phase 1 of the project. They will provide a variety of facilities to the pilgrims visiting the temple. The new structures include Yatri Suvidha Kendra, Tourist Facilitation Center, Vedic Kendra, Mumukshu Bhavan, Bhagshala, City Museum, Viewing Gallery, food courts, among others. Also at the backside, you can see is the golden color of the dome, which has just been given a new range of tarnish by Tanishq. The project involved purchase and acquisition of more than 300 properties around Kashi Vishwanath temple. Prime Minister's vision to take along everyone was the principle based on which the mutual negotiations were done for these acquisitions. The rehabilitation of around 1,400 shopkeepers, tenants and homeowners were done amicably. Many say that the testimony of the success is the fact that there is no litigation pending in any court of the country regarding acquisition or rehabilitation related to the development of this Kashi Vishwanath project. This is Rohan Dua from the heart of Varanasi and inside the Kashi Vishwanath temple.
For more such fine stories and video reports from field, subscribe to our channel, The New Indian.